Hey Birdie, what you doing today?
I'm just relaxing in the sun, you know. I don't really want to fly, and I'm just relaxing.
Hey, do you want me to
Push it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. How do you like that? That's what you get for eating my food.
What just happened here?
Are you okay? Should I drive you to the hospital?
Yeah, I think you should, maybe.
Come here. Let me take you into the basket.
Alright.
Here.
That basket needs to be repaired.
Let me push you. Oh, look, here's the
Let's see if there's any feather pens.
Get Better Center.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, look, there's a dead buddy in there.
Oh my gosh. You know, I don't want to take the door. I just want to get in. Doctor!
Hopefully this time she won't be a wreck. Like last time when she broke her leg. She had to take Calm by Law.
Hey, doctor! Yeah, what's wrong? Oh! I just saw what happened to that birdie. Get up there! Okay, what shall I do now? Just wait there, little birdie. I need to take my lunch break. Yum yum. Peck, peck, peck. Yummy bird food. Peck, peck, peck.
I suggest you run away from her.
Peck, peck, peck. Peck, peck. Why? What?
She had a criminal record.
Do you think the bunny's gonna take care of it? Okay, fine. Fly. I shall wait on this pole and never go back to my job. Because why would I want to go back to that job?
Okay, Bird, you're set free. Go, run!
Why?
Run away! Because that doctor was spreading rumors about you.
Rumor has it, rumor. Okay, fine. I can't fly away. You know what? I'll take this sad little bunny with me, too. Let's go fly away. I'm a bunny. I can't fly. Just come with me.
Hop.
You can hop as high as I go. Oh.
Let me tell you a little something about that bird. She was always my
Why are you
best friend.
talking about me?
That is the end of part 1.
What's this?
During next episode, I will reveal the secrets about Miss Bird.
Who's Miss Birdie? I just came from the hospital.